stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
Oh, he's like...
Welcome to the Hampton Inn, room 205.
205. Boy.
This guy's about to start up a C7 Corvette. Still waiting for the guy to unlock the door. And then we'll be whooping a C7 Corvette. Oh. I say I'm about to be done recording because I'm tired of recording little kids playing on a park in a U-Haul. People probably think I'm some creep. Sheesh! Look at my boy.
Boy. Florida, baby. So last night we rented a car from Turo, and we ended up coming across a Corvette. The bitch does move. I still prefer to, if I had a daily something, I prefer to daily a Mustang over a Corvette. But that's just my opinion.
You know he's sitting on something lower than you see.
Right, right. Get out. Yeah, I don't care. The last thing I need is a fucking U-Haul. Oof, and it's not. Well, hopefully I got the keys. Oh, that's my pocket set.
Yes, sir. Sheesh. Taco Bell time, guys. About to show us, man, what's up with the Taco Bell breakfast.
Right.
We got 7 minutes to get our orders in. Oh, the Audi can eat it.
He wants to smoke already.
Wants to smoke, and he's just ordering it. He's gonna tell the person he's checking out with, hey, I want the number 5 to smoke from the Corvette.
That's a project. Oh my fucking god, I'm not even ready.
Are you ready?
No, yes, but yes. I am so fucking nervous. I am so nervous. That's idle.
you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I'm doing shit my way.
That snap, crackle, pop, baby. Woo!
Bro,
You can drive. Nuh-uh.
Oh, bro.
Oh, the fucking drinks. The few drinks that we actually bought tonight to actually have a good night. Where's the beer?
It's all up here, but we gotta go. There's houses right there.
Are you serious?
Let's go, let's go.
Where are they at? Open my door.
Bro, there's houses right here.
Yo,
Come on,
yo,
bro.
from the trunk
Come
to
on,
here. Bro, what? They literally flew over?
Yeah, bro, they smacked my arm.
You're lucky they didn't bust.
Bro, I know. Bro, I know. Bro, I know.
The drain, or is that you in the car?
That was the car hit in the drain, I think.
I have a feeling.
Let's clean this up real quick.
Yeah. Holy snappers.
Bro,
Homie
I
said,
literally hit the brakes and I was smacked.
bro. Yeah, you're lucky they didn't bust.
You're working off signals, bro.
Oh,
Signal
probably.
receiver or something.
Holy shit. Car's clean though. Well, my biggest thing is at least the bitch ain't cracked. What the fuck? At least the bitch ain't
As
cracked,
soon as they hit me, the condensation hit me. I was like, bro, I think they just busted on me.
bro.
It was just condensation. I was like,
Well, I'm just happy nothing busted up here.
That's, yeah, I know.
Right. Well, even anything breaking in general.
Imagine if
Holy
the black
shit.
screen.
Right.